Hello, hello, super people. My wifey is walking here in I don't know if you call it a park. It's you can ride your bike here. It's nice here. There's a bike trail and there's a lot of cats and there's a train right there. River. That's the train right there. Whoa. Sorry. Nature. This is like a nature trail. Nature trail. There's that's my wifey right there. The train. Train. This is the creek. Call it creek or river. There's a lot of turtle here. All the way there, turtle. We going to the residential? Lot of turtle. Turtle. Morning. Lot of turtle here. This is a nature. What if you like to walk here because it's shade. A lot of shade.
Nobody's attacking you. Nobody's attacking you, man. Yeah, you're not. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice place to ride a bike and walk. And here comes the duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, they are not scared.
No.
They're not
No.
scared even the big truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are not scared, huh? See, we need food.
See, they're waiting for the food to go up there for the cats.
Oh, yeah.
See, they got their bird food because a friend of ours comes and dumps the bird food for them.
And then they still eat the cat food.
Yes, they do.
So we have to sit up here and wait for the cats to eat as much as they can before we leave them.
Yeah. So those are growing over there.
Yeah. They're growing. If you want to go, I stay here.
It's okay. I'm waiting for my wifey.
Oh.
I have to.
Mom's talking to me.
Oh,
I'm headed to the
Oh.
next cat.
I have to ride a little bit and then wait for my wife. Kick. Wah.
Hello.
Wah,
Good
wah.
morning.
Wah, wah.
Where's the food?
It's right there.
Oh, the food for them is right there, but we feed the cats. Oh, you feed the cats. Yeah, we feed them. Oh, yeah,
Hearing you?
Probably the cats are waiting. Where's my mommy? Where's my mommy?
Yeah. We got a couple more down here.
Okay. Okay, dokie, dokie.
Are you going this way or that way?
That way. Okay, dokie. We're going to walk here in the residential. Then we turn around, come back over there again by the trail. Morning.
Good morning.
See, those are the cat. Some good Samaritan feed the cat here. Oh, mo pa bunga na. Oh, sa pa bunga na dan. Dan to tani. Itani ito sunga sa indo pa. Dumagsin. Oh, bunga na. Nagtampo. Nice big houses here. This is Elk Grove, California. Big houses, very expensive house. In here, this is a new house right here. See, big new house. You watch this build. Almost 2 years to finish. But it's big. There's more building in the back. Even the neighbor is big. See? This is the residential. Another train's passing by. Wifey like to walk here because it's shady, malilim at may linong, maraming malalaking kahoy. Milyones ang halaga ng bahay dito. Can't afford it. Maybe we can, but why? We're happy wherever we are. Marami ring naglalakad, lakad-lakad para sa kalusugan. I have to go back and look for my wife. Hello. Okay, super people. Gotta exercise more. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, Super Martin Official. Ka-super, ka-super. Okay.